Hey guys, we are in Tbilisi, Georgia. This is honestly one of my favourite cities in the world so far. I am loving it so much. So today the plan is to go to a cooking class, and it looks like we'll be making some classics like khatachapuri and khinkali. So khatachapuri is like a kind of like bready cheese boat thing we'll show you, and khinkali is like the Georgian answer to dumplings. So we're super psyched on that and we can't wait.
We're a bit early for our cooking class. We've got maybe like an hour to kill, so we're just gonna go for a wander. We haven't really walked around too much and explored like near the river, so we're gonna head there. And I think there's quite a lot just to see. There's a lot of art and murals and stuff, so yeah, we'll go check it out. I wonder what these like metal railings are for. Maybe like if you're in a wheelchair you can just like poon it
Wheelchair
down.
wheels are way wider than that.
Yeah,
that's so dangerous.
That would be fun. I think I figured it out. I think it's so you can push your bike up or downhill because there's like tire marks in the grooves. I feel quite smart for figuring that out, but
if it's true.
Also disappointed that it's not a wheelchair run. I love the art here. There's so much of it. Like every lamppost and every corner is just like pasted in graffiti and stickers and I don't know, a lot of interesting messages as well. And yeah, it's just quite creative. It's a good vibe.
Our big problem in Tbilisi, which we haven't had anywhere else, is crossing the road. People don't really jaywalk here. Like, there are sometimes underground passes, which is cool, but there are like almost none of them and no lights.
And they're hard to find.
And we're currently in an intersection where it's just like, I have no idea how the hell we would get across.
It's chaotic.
We've just looked in Google Maps. It's a 41-minute walk to cross the road. This has fully just turned into like a graffiti tour. I'm so sorry. We'll go to the cooking class very soon. But I do love the graffiti here, and we've just been like walking around random streets and exploring, and it's like really high quality stuff. Very cool. Actually, I shouldn't call it graffiti. It's like street art. It's like actually proper installation. Some of it is really high quality. Oh, bro.
Great start to the cooking class.
Classy.
That's the intro you get. I was gonna say, we've just arrived. We've been given a free drink, or complimentary. I'm not really sure who's going to be teaching us, but there's like already some food laid out, some cheese and a salad and some other bits and bobs. And this lolly flavoured lemonade is how I'm going to describe this one. Half of it on the table.
Warm water, just in a fancy pot. Dry instant yeast. Also we got some sugar here. Here we will need just the salt here. And I usually add quite a lot of oil in my dough. Here I prefer to use the sunflower one.
We're making khatachapuri, the boat version. I'll put what it's actually called, and It's so soft, this dough. It's so squishy. I think it's going to be really good. I don't know if I'm doing it right though.
Quality chicken.
Oh, that's good. That's so good.
It will be closed completely.
Oh, closed completely.
Yeah. And press it a little bit harder. It's firmer, so to stay together. Here to here. Only need the top layer, of course. You just want to open it.
I feel like I'm performing a surgery.
Okay. Put it in.
Oh, it's so good though. It's quite mild compared to other khachapuris we've had.
You can also add some cilantro or coriander. Yes. For the seasonings, it's very simple. All we got here, the main one is called zira in Georgian. It's cumin, I believe, right?
Oh, yeah.
Cumin. Red chili flakes to make it more spicy. It's completely up to you, of course. And salt.
What have you got in yours?
I've got onions, cumin powder, salt, and just a couple chili flakes, not too many because they're spicy probably. So this whole trip we've been wondering how the soup dumplings have the soup inside of them. Turns out you add about 1 part water to 1 part meat and it makes it sort of like this liquidy meat, and when they're cooking, when they're boiling it, the meat releases that liquid and that forms like a soup inside of the dumpling. So
Yeah. And you mix up stock and stuff in there. Right?
yeah, with flavors and stuff. So who knew?
Well, I think we need more salt.
More salt. So we're just pleating the dough. You have to make sure the pleats are overlapping, and what else do you have to make sure?
They're evenly sized.
And they're evenly sized, yeah. And that you don't make holes in the dough, otherwise the soup leaks out.
And you don't put meat in until it's pleated out. It's different.
So we'll show that in a bit. But yeah, you pleat it most of the way because it's quite liquidy meat, otherwise it would just fall out.
Okay, I've made my little pocket thing, and now apparently spread it out a little bit, stretch it so that you can fit the meat in.
You can just make another set of pleats over the previous one.
Ah, okay.
Right? And it will get all together for you to close it.
Okay, cool.
Then make sure they all look outside first.
Okay, and so now you close up the neck like this.
Yeah, just like that.
And you want a long neck because this is your handle when you're eating it. And then you twist off the top.
Nice.
And you're done. Alright. Stunning.
Great.
Okay, Amy's look a bit better than mine, not gonna lie. Oh,
These are them.
don't they look awesome? They look pretty good. Whoa.
Solid. Oh, that's good.
This is my favourite meat filling we've had. The cumin really works, and it's all beef, and I think usually we have a mix of different meats in there. This is really, really yum. There's less soup than we usually have in these, but it's really good. Maybe like that?
Let's just slide the opening there. And some butter goes here, one on the other side.
Just use your fingers.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
That looks so pretty.
And so you usually get it like this. Let's see.
Can I just say, how good does that look? That is so aesthetically pleasing.
I think you, yeah, that's it. cheese pull. Oh my god.
Wow. I'm not doing a very good job.
Yeah, I can see that.
There we go. Let's eat it. Oh, the colour on that, man.
Not to toot our own horn, but this is by far the best khatachapuri we've had in Georgia, and we've probably had like, I don't know, maybe 4.
That says nothing about our skill at all.
I know, but like, I rolled the dough.
How good is that, bro?
Honestly, incredible. If you're in Tbilisi, I cannot recommend this more. Amazing.
Okay, and that is a wrap on our cooking class video. We had a really good time. Usually we like to do a slightly more authentic cooking class like in a home, but the only ones that we could find in Tbilisi were actually really expensive, and the one that we did ended up being really cheap. So that was kind of a budget day for us. But yeah, we do recommend it if you are on a budget and you are in Tbilisi. We'll leave a link for anyone who asks for it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.